Hey, good day, man. Saturday morning, had our first really hard freeze this last night. It was 23 degrees this morning when I got up Saturday, and I just thought I'd show you what I'm up to today. Been a long time coming, but back in this corner here. It's just been kind of a collect-all place. So I'm taking a Saturday morning and I'm cleaning, throwing, pitching, sorting, stacking, and that's what I'm doing. So I can, I don't know, I found a calendar on that. There was some shelving there with our books, and one time we had a desk there kind of thing, and the calendar was 2015, so it's been a while since we've been back into this little hole. It's a never-ending job, cleaning the shop, and actually I'll show you that my dumpsters are full. I decided to go through this. Hey, still here waiting. All these racks you've always seen in the back here. Of course, I got to sort all this stuff yet. This is my welding table and junk pile, what I want to keep, what I don't. There's tools, there's old tools from my dad, there's just some of it's junk, some of it isn't. I got parts. This was just all just full of crap. And what I'm going to do is make a little spot to work underneath here and put some lights real close, and hopefully here too. Take these out, move them up. So that's, I got a little idea of what I want to, I think I said it in another video, I want to make a testing bench for preheaters. So that's what I'm up to today. So here we are, sitting in the old 1270. Let's see. Apparently she's not ready to shoot yet. Yeah, I'm going to bring it into the shop, so I don't have to, but I'm going to activate the head and get everything warmed up here. And find the windshield wipers. There we go, we're in, there we go. Windshield wipers. So, and now I'm going to try to find a spot to set you up here. And it doesn't look too promising, so I'll have to drive with one hand. Days without activities. Oh, central greasing system low. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, hey guys, here I am in the machine. I'm going to show you something on this screen that if you're bringing it into a shop ever, as soon as you initiate the head on these things, they have the auto pillar tilt and the cab following functions. And what we normally do or recommend, I do, is you see this screen, I come over and hit HHC only. That means the head is going to work, but none of the automatic functions. So if you're in there and I don't know, I just don't want to risk it. If something settles over time in the shop and you go to hit, if you don't hit that button, you could put the boom right through your ceiling, and I got a low ceiling, so I don't want to do that. So here we go. We're going to go in. Okay, pillar tilt. And I'm going to have to do this just the fun way. Wide angle. Just got to make sure that I'm low enough to get in the shop. So we go forward. Kind of a beast, you know. guess. They don't turn as sharp as some guy thinks either, especially fully extended like this. Sometimes it's hard to match the door here. But we'll get her. Look at that, first shot. Must think I've been doing this for a while. Okay. I gotta go open the door. Tilt this puppy down a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna close the knives. So when I get inside, I can just set the head right on the floor. whatever, Mike. Well, as it goes, you've seen it before. There'll be those 2 bolts and that one right there. Oh, somebody's re-welded this one. And oh, one's missing. You can see the hole back there. One missing, one in. And that one, that's the one we're going to have to do some magic on. That section, I think he told me from Deere, is $5,000 because they drilled and tapped that, and it looks like I got a port right next to it, so maybe we can. Well, this will be fun for the boys ripping all this. I want the whole valve bank out of there. That's just me being anal that way, because I'm only going to do it once. And hang on once. Huh, there I did it again. I'm only going to do it once. And the best way to do it always is to get the crap out of the way. And we got all week to do it here. That means we'll have some time in between for machine shop work if we need it. So hopefully you'll see it tomorrow. Actually what I'll do is I'll put this video up and then I'll probably put another one up on what we did to repair it. So, alright, thanks for watching.